All right, today we're going to bring a carbon fiber case for your iPhone 15. Now, I'm going to show you a couple of things I like about this case. It's very thin, all right, first of all, very strong, all right. Now, on the actual outer ring of the camera, there's metal in here, if you guys can see. It's aluminum metal or some sort of stainless steel, but it's given to give you more protection to your camera. I like that part. Now on the bottom of it, of course, it has the fittings for your actual phone connection, your power, and then of course the speakers. And in the sides, it's going to have side buttons, access. All right. So this is going to cover your back end of the actual phone. All right, the glass part of it. All right. Now the front, it's not covering the front, but to take it in and out, it does have indentations here, so it's a little it gives you a little flexibility of removing it in case you have to clean it up. And if you guys can see, there's a little couple indentations here, both ends, so it's going to be flexible to actually open it up a little bit and we'll put it in there. So when you're setting it up, make sure your camera lines up. All right, so just basically just snap it in place and that's it. Very simple. You have your camera. The camera is going to be valve protector. In this part right here, I've seen it where it gets a lot of scratches because you can see that you do end up putting your back in your pocket or other places or down facing down. And because the camera is a little bit more bulkier, it gives you that extra protection ring in here. And I like that. That's a big plus. Now, like I said, you have access to your buttons on the actual case itself, the other parts too. And it's perfectly cut for this phone itself, right? It's an iPhone 15. And of course, you have indentations to charge it, and then your speakers. And then if you want to remove it, and like I said, to remove it, just push it back and it removes in case you got to clean it. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe